Hey faves, and welcome back to my channel. If you are not yet subscribed, please do so, and if you are, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I bleach my knots. It's a very easy beginner friendly tutorial, and this video is in collaboration with Yiroo hair. Thank you so much to Yiroo hair for sponsoring this video. Now if you guys have been watching my channel for a while now, you will know that Yiroo hair is the very first hair company I worked with. So they basically put my channel on to this hair thing. That is why I have been working with other hair companies as well. They basically put my channel on the map, so thank you so much to them. Now they sent me a 22-inch Kinky Curly wig. As you guys can see, the knots are not bleached. The wig is a transparent color. The lace rather is a transparent color, and I really love this hair. I haven't worn it yet, I haven't done anything to it, but the texture of the hair is amazing. It's super soft. I cannot wait to wear it. And something else that you will need is a black plastic bag, guys, and a highlighting kit. So I purchased the Renew one. I usually use the K or the Clicks one, but this was on sale, so I just saved my coin and bought this rather. So in the box is the hair developer, the color developer, the conditioner, which I never use. I would rather much use my Tresemme conditioner, as well as the actual highlighting powder, some gloves, and the information pamphlet. And then I just went ahead and purchased this to dye my hair from the local Chinese store. You can literally get it anywhere. And now, as you can see, I'm separating it as gaqa. I don't know what is gaqa or in English. So I'm just adding a bit of the powder. I'm not going to add the whole thing because I'm only bleaching knots for one wig, so I don't want to waste product. And then I'm just really going to go ahead and put in however much I want. I'm not going to go by the measurements simply because I want a thick consistency rather than a thinner consistency. I'm not dyeing hair, I am bleaching knots, so I want a thick pulp-like consistency so that it does not seep through the wig and bleach my hair. I don't want this hair to be bleached yet, so I just want the lace and the knots to be bleached. So as you guys will see in the video, I keep on adding some developer just to make the consistency thick, but also ingabi nezigaqa ezininzi. So as you guys can see, I'm mixing that with a spoon. Please make sure that it's not a spoon that people use to eat with, like it's an old spoon you don't care about. As well as, just to make sure you don't mess, please use an old towel that you don't use, like the one I use. We never use here at home. It's a black towel, and then also put a plastic calendar on top and work on top of it, just to make sure you don't mess on your floor or counter, wherever you will be dyeing your hair. And you guys can see the consistency is thick and it does not have its gag. And now I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots of my wig. So I'm gonna put the wig inside out and just work with it. So I'm gonna take the brush that I got from the Chinese package, and I'm basically going to brush the product onto the lace of the wig. However, I'm not gonna completely brush it thoroughly, simply because I don't want to bleach my hair. I don't want it to seep through, so I'm basically just gonna put product and spread it across the lace using the brush. Please make sure that you don't have a heavy hand and literally like brush it through, because it's definitely gonna dye the hairs on your frontal, and you do not want that to happen. Please excuse my voice, guys. I'm still not feeling well at this point. I don't know what's going on, and yes, to be honest, and I don't know what to do to make it better. Anyway, what's the wearing? As you guys can see, I'm using the brush and I'm starting at the beginning of the wig because that is the most important part. That is the part that's going to show when you lay your edges, when you're wearing the wig. At the back, it's not really going to show, so no one really cares about that. So just to make sure, if ever you run out of product, make sure that you start bleaching your knots from the beginning and then work your way back. Don't start from the back and work your way forward, because it'll never really happen, but you never know. So if it happens that you run out of product while you are bleaching your knots, then you would know that at the front you sorted and there's no need for you to go and buy another kit just to bleach the back, because it's not really going to show. So as you can see, throughout the entire lace, I'm starting at the beginning and working my way back. Please make sure that you don't brush your, what is this called, bleach bleach with the heavy hand, otherwise it is going to transfer onto the hair, and you don't want blonde roots and black hair. Swearing. And then you are going to leave that for about 20 to 25 minutes. And if you are bleaching knots for a lace closure, you will obviously leave it for about 15 minutes because it'll bleach quicker. But this is a frontal, so I left it for about 20 to 25 minutes, and that is basically how it looks right now. And then I'm just gonna go to the bathroom and wash the product off. And that is basically it, you guys. It's so easy. You just need to make sure you don't mess around. As you can see, it looks brown, so it's not the transparent color it came in when I first got the wig. And if you turn it inside out, this is how it looks. You guys can see that the color has definitely changed. It is now like a rusty brown color, meaning that my knots have been bleached. And that is basically it, you guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you learned how to bleach your knots. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Swearing.